Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make carbonated hot chocolate pineapple coconut. First thing you gotta do is open up, excuse me for a second, this hot chocolate mix, and you pour it into this cup, which is a mug considered, and you pour in the hot chocolate, or the water, sorry, hot chocolate mix already in there. And last but not least, you open up this pineapple coconut sparkling water and you pour it into this glass. Pour in a little more, and here is your, oh, just a minute. Pour in a little more. And here is your carbonated hot chocolate pineapple coconut. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.